I stumbled upon some bullshit ass posts like we always do. Don't it always happen on the FYP? I need to just stick to the following and possibly just STEM. I'd rather focus on math than half of the garbage that these drones spew. You know those posts when a person is just staring at the camera and they not saying shit, but they just put a whole bunch of words. Well, look, this lady, she said, imagine carrying pregnancy for 9 months only to end up giving birth to a little creature who not only looks exactly like the father, but also is taking all of your husband's attention. Sad face. As a woman, if your first child is a girl, just know that you're gonna have a biological co-wife. What the fuck? Woman, do you even like your daughter? Like, I swear to goodness and gracious, some people should not be allowed to have children. Not even gonna gloss over the fact that you called your daughter a creature. I'm guessing you think your husband is a creature too, especially if she looks just like him. But you had to be weird and add co-wife as well. Like, that is literally your daughter. I feel so sorry for that poor baby. You can definitely tell that she one of those women that'll be like a boy mom. Like, I pray for goodness that her next kid ain't a boy, because you know there's gonna be favoritism. She's gonna treat him like gold and treat her daughter like a fucking maid. You called her a co-wife. That's not normal. Ew. But you know what's weirder than being jealous of your own child? The amount of likes on this post. 85,000 likes. And I went through the comments. Majority of them are people who think that this woman is straight up gross and weird for even posting this shit. So that just leads me to believe that majority of the people who liked this video and agree with this lunatic are too shameful to leave a comment. I wonder why. It's because y'all know y'all would get dragged faster than Soldier Boy when A-Train got pissed off. Like, all 85,000 of y'all need to seek some serious counseling, cause that's weird. To see your own child as competition is not healthy. You need therapy, and quite frankly, you shouldn't have had kids in the first place. With that being said, let's go ahead and give some prayers and ask the ancestors to cover that poor little girl, and go ahead and visit the Shopify. The link is, you know where it's at, and I'll see you guys later. Say hi to your family, kiss your mom. Bye.